Some of us have every girl's dream closet like this or this, but some of our realities are a little bit more like this. Hello? Oh my god. I think an extreme closet clean out / organization is calling. It's 2026. We're clean. We're organized. So let's clean out my closet. I have not done a closet clean out / organization in over a year. Honestly, I'm thinking 2. But I don't know. Also, I am running out of hangers. I'm running out of space. I'm running out of hangers. What do I do? Now let me show you my closet. Now, you might be looking at it and you're like, oh my god, Andrea, you're so drama. Like, you're literally so dramatic. And yes, it might not be bad to the normal average person. My mom will have a heart attack when she's watching this video. I'm not even being dramatic. My mom passes away from seeing a half-drinking water bottle. Like, you're still working on drinking that water bottle. She will pass away just seeing it in my room. So this is disgusting. Let's clean. Just so you know, I'm like not mentally okay to be filming this video. As in, I don't think I can really deep clean and organize this closet right now, but I'm going to. Literally, I'm just gonna go for it. Oh my god. First pile out. Like, are you serious? I literally am like going through World War I looking for a damn hanger and I have one right there with no piece of clothing. Oh my god. This is what has caused most of my crash outs. These are all like my Aloe Lulu things that I wear on top of my workout sets when I'm gonna go work out. I need to put this in more reach because putting it here, it just... Ugh. Oh my god, my boots. I love my boots. Wow. I actually just organized my sweatpants. They also were causing a lot of crash outs where you don't want to know. Okay, these are like summer stuff. We'll let her... I already don't want to do this. I'm regretting it. This is where the cowgirl boots are. Oh. Look at how gross these are. They're literally black. My closet's naked. I'm out of breath. What did I get myself into? I'm going to start with my winter clothes, and I know I want to keep winter clothes over here, but I think instead of being on the top, I'm going to put it on the bottom just because even when it is winter, I live in San Diego. We don't really get a winter here. So those clothes aren't really being touched up on like that. And I think over here, I want to put like dresses and such that I also don't feel like I wear a lot. I have this beautiful butter yellow sweater. This is from Zara. I need to get more use out of her. Ooh, okay. I don't think I'm ever gonna wear this again. I feel like she could still have use. I think cardigans you can't go wrong with because you could wear it as a cardigan. You could wear it like on top, tied, keep. I think I need to try this on. Ooh, keep. I feel like this isn't me anymore, but I feel like I'm gonna regret taking her out because it's pink. The fact there was a time I wore this is insane to me. Keep. Oh my god, all of my Skims. Literally keep. I wear these all the time. Ooh, keep. Now, I think I'm gonna move on to these workout stuff. These are like hoodies and jackets that I do use besides working out, but for the most part, their purpose is for working out. This already looks so much neater. For winter clothes, as of right now, those are pieces that I don't know if I'm going to be keeping. We'll see at the end. I think right here, I'm going to have like my normal summer clothes, like not going out or anything. Just like normal tanks, like basics. Keep. Cute. Keep. 2 tank tops, but they're different. Keep. I think I'm gonna start first with dresses just because they're like right here. So I'm gonna do like skirts and dresses and sets and all that. I think I'm gonna put those over here just because I feel like I'm gonna use them, but I'm just not gonna use them as often. And I just like that it's higher up so they're not like dragging on the floor like they were. I've been buying myself so many more dresses, which is funny because I'm a pretty girly girl, but for some reason I don't own a lot of dresses. These are all my dresses. I'm literally just hanging them up now and then we can organize in a second. Oh, everything keeps getting tangled. It's pissing me off. Oh my god, I'm getting like, I'm about to kill someone. Oh, I can't. Like, I actually can't do this anymore. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. 5-second breathers, my therapist showed me. This is the dress I kept wearing in 2025. Gorgeous. This is another fun dress. This was supposed to be my 20th birthday dress. It's gorgeous. It's from Zara. Look how sexy it is. Every girl needs a hot red sexy dress. That looks ugly. And honestly, I know I'm supposed to be inspiring you guys to like also do a closet clean out yourself, but you win some, you lose some. I'm fixing that later. Now to the going out top slash like literally anything else I have. I know there's a lot that I'm probably not gonna keep. This is the size of my hand. Sadly, same with this. I might just put them in like another drawer or something. I think it's their time to go. We can still save some of these things. I still haven't gotten a chance to wear this. Tell me this isn't the most gorgeous, sexy thing you've ever seen. Definitely to like a professional organizer or probably even my mother, this is gonna be not the cutest, but I feel so much better about it. Now for shoes. As for the rest of my shoes, I think I'm literally just gonna put them back down under here. To sort this out. These are like black sandals, black kitten heels. I feel like that makes sense all being together. I think I'm gonna put these Zara kitten heels together. Honestly, I use these a lot, so I'm just gonna keep them out. Now look at all the clothes that I think I'm gonna get rid of. These jeans I've had forever. You're done. You're out of my life. This is so cute. Okay, this isn't my baby. I can't let go.
I like this. It's like a nice little sweater.
Oh, like these jeans, I'm always so in between. Maybe I'll try these on. The closet is officially done. Perfect. It's a beautiful. Now it is just time to officially say bye to all of these clothes. They're going bye-bye. I am officially going to sell and donate some of these clothes, give away. But I just want to go through the final rundown and tell you guys, actually just make sure I want to give these things away. Yeah, absolutely not. No. Somehow it gets worse. Who was I buying these tiny tops and wearing them to school? This is a bra with sleeves. This will probably be on my Depop if you're interested. It is from Garage. I think I'm probably gonna sell this on my Depop. Oh, it's because it is a cute sweater. Like, look how cute that is. Oh, I'm keeping this. Now, I do have the same one in this like blue, like navy blue, almost like big, it looks black to be honest. Oh, keep. I'm sorry. Ooh, these immediately when I saw them, I was like, you're done. I have these tiny little shirts. This has been out and in of my Depop box. So I think it's time to say goodbye. Oh, I have this set right here that I honestly, it breaks my heart to get rid of it. I'm keeping it. Okay, besties, we're officially done. We are officially happy and done with how this closet looks like. Here I have all of my going out like fun tops, my jeans obviously that I'm wearing all the time, and then down here I have all of like my summer tops. On this side I used to have all like my winter stuff up here and all like the dresses and stuff here. It was just getting too crazy, and again, these dresses are long, so it just makes more sense to have these things that hang down here rather than here. Now that my closet is complete, or work here is done, thank you guys so much for coming along and just being that moral support. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I like my money right where I can see it, hanging in my closet.